Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to fix fast charging problem in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. And if there is no fast charging in your smartphone, uh, very slow charging, then how you can fix it? First, you have to go to the settings, and then you have to click on search and write here battery like this. Click on the battery. First you have to turn off this auto brightness option. You can see adaptive brightness, it will consume more battery, so you have to turn off this. Then press back, go to the battery, and from here you will see your battery health also. If it is not showing, you can just download the app from the Play Store to see your battery health. Friends, you have to type battery over here, and then you have to click on battery usage. You have to enable this low battery shutdown warning. You will warn 30 seconds before shutdown due to low battery. You have to enable this, and you can check your battery usage, which app consume more battery. So you can just turn off the background data from the app, then press back, click on battery and power saving. Here it is charge option, and here it is charging speed. Then click on charging speed. Here it is smart charge and low temperature charge. Intelligently adjust charging speed for the best charging effect. You have to enable it. It may be possible, it may be not possible to switch the charging speed when the third party app charger is used. Then friends, you have to press back, then click on apps. Here it is app management, then click on app list. Here it is three buttons. Click on show system apps, click on search, and here you have to write Google like this. Then click on this tick option. You have to just scroll down and you will see Google Play Store, and then you have to click on this storage and cache. Just click on clear cache from here like this, then simply press back, and then you have to write here Android like this. You have to click on this, and here it is Android system. You have to clear cache this also, and you can check your adapter. If it is speed is slow, you can check your adapter too. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.